Good morning to all. Next question, exercise 12.2, seventh question. Already sixth question over. Sixth question, construct the truth table only asking. But what is asking? From the truth table, whether it is tautology or contradiction or contingency asking. What is the meaning of tautology? You will find the truth table for the question. First find truth table for the question. First one is what? P and Q is the same. Next is what? Conjunction, disjunction, negation, disjunction. Then this and this will be conjunction. This is the question. Now we will find one by one. After the last column contains only T involving it is tautology. So by F involving this is contradiction. F and T, this will form becoming that is called contingency. This is a concept. Now as usual, double T, double F. The standard will be single T, single F. One T, one F. This is one. Now already you know this conjunction. This symbol involving both are T means T. The remaining quantity will be F. Now P and Q, consider P and Q. This symbol involving both will be F is here. The remaining quantity will be T. Now negation is what? T, F, T. Now from this to this, okay? P conjunction, negation, B disjunction Q. That means what? Consider this and this is important. And this and this, what is symbol? Conjunction. Both will T with T, remain with F. Where is T? Not T. F, T. Both will T with T, otherwise F. Both will be T with this symbol involving both will be T with T. The remaining quantity always F. Therefore, the last column contains only T. Therefore, it is only F. Therefore, it is contradiction. This is the answer. That's all. Similar one more question. This is asking put the truth table one find. The first is P, then Q, then disjunction, the negation of P, then conjunction. Afterwards, conjunction equal to Q. Now the same thing, T, F, this is disjunction, double F, double F involving F, remember T. The negation of P is what? F, T. Negation of P means consider T involving F, T involving T, again F and T in this way. Now, from this to this and this, no? This and this is called what? Conjunction. Both will T with T, remaining called F. Am I right? Then, from here to Q, this is important. From here to Q. Mind it. From here to Q. The arrow mark economy, what's the arrow mark economy? What I told you? Both the same is T. The opposite quantity involved means next one. You want the same quantity? From here to here, not same. Here, F will be minus T. Next say, T is not T. Am I right? Next is what? The same thing will know T. But here to here, F to T, that's why T. Next one from here to here. Don't tell here to here, wrong answer will come. This one first will come. This is the first term. Q means this one. From here to here, one side arrow mark involving both the same in T. The opposite one involving the next one. That is T, F to T means T. F to T, T to T, F to T. Very this also the last column contains Only T. Therefore, it is tautology. Tautology. Am I correct? The next one. Third subdivision. P condition statement to Q. Then this is called pi condition statement. This is the case of P tends to Q. Now PQ, the same thing. Double T, double F. TF, again TF. One cell are same quantity, opposite quantity, P to P, no, here to here, T to F, F to T. Next is P, the P, no, change, F, T, T, this way. Then next is P to Q, here to here, important. Again, one cell are what I told you, the same quantity, T, the opposite quantity, next one. Next is P to Q, no? F to T, T. F to F also T, same quantity. The T to T. The T to F to F. Am I right? Now, one time, this side is double cell armor. What I told you? Both will be same is T. Both will be same. That will be T. The opposite quantity is what? F. Here T. Here F. Am I right? This is called pi condition statement. Example is what? Pi condition statement. The same quantity T, opposite quantity F. Anyway, you consider P tends to Q. This one, 2. Next one, this one. Am I right? This one to this one. The same quantity T, opposite quantity F. Same quantity T, opposite quantity F. Now what is the answer? This is mixed form coming on. That's why it is contingency. This answer. It is contingency. The final conclusion is very important because in the question, verify whether the following common processes are tautology or contradiction or conditions of thing. That's why you give the reason. Last column contain only F, contradiction. The last column contain only T. That's why tautology. Here mixed form is coming. That's why it is contingency. Anyway, I already told you, this type of material is 1 or 2 mark or 3 mark. Very small concept. You consider the symbol. And also, here to here means consider this one to this one. Here, consider this and this meaning. What is the meaning? From here to here, consider. In this way, the question what are the quantity involved from to, that's important. Here to here means no problem. From here to here means start from here to here. In this way, we consider the remaining quantity by using the scale or something. You want to do everything. You will consider this and the Q mean this is close actually from here to here. Right answer. Refer the table and right answer. That's all. Now, fourth question. P condition statement Q conjunction Q tends to R again tends to P tends to R. In a P, Q, R involving. Already told you, P, Q, three variables. Automatically, the how many rows will come? 2 power 3, 8 rows will come. That's very important. The question P and Q only involving means we have 2. P and Q 2. 2 square is 4 rows. But here 3 rows. Now you want to combine P, Q, R. One method is what? Triple T. Double T, one F, single T, double T, in this way you want it. This like in the tensor, you know, HDH, PPH, in this way you want it. But here, this method for this mean, first consider P alone. First consider P alone. Very simple concept. 4T, 4F. In this way you want to combine. Double T, double F. Double T, double F. 1T, 1F. 1T, 1F. 1T, 1F. 1T, 1F. Now, here all the ones clearly coming. The other ones should not be repeated and also do not be seen. This is easy method. Now, please, you know, whatever the symbol is represent, both will be same. T, the opposite quantity, the next one. Now, consider P and Q. That's very important. Same quantity, opposite one F, T to F, F to T, F to T, same quantity, in this way quantity. The Q to R, consider Q and R, that's what. Same quantity, T, opposite quantity, T to F to T, F same quantity, T to T, that is same quantity, opposite quantity, T to F to T, same quantity, in this way quantity. Now, this is what adjust of these two. This simple economy, both in the T with T, remain quantity F. Both quantity T, am I right? Here 3 take place only, both are T. But T, remain quantity only F. In the same order. Then P to R, consider P to R, this one. Same quantity T, here. Opposite quantity, next one, P to R, F. The same quantity, T. Opposite one, T to F, F to T, F to F, that is same quantity. F to T, opposite quantity, next one, T. F to F, the same quantity. Am I right? Now, out of these two, again, the same thing. The same quantity, T. Opposite quantity, next one. F to T, opposite quantity, F to F, same quantity. F to T, opposite quantity, next one, T. F to F, same quantity, T. T to T, same quantity, F to opposite quantity, F to T, same quantity. Am I right? Therefore, the last column contains only T. Am I right? That's why it is tautology. Am I right? This idea, anyway, the first three easy for you. A very important concept. P to Q, you will consider P and Q. First P, next only Q. That's important. P to R means P to R. That's very important. Anyway, from the table, this is very important concept. 2 mark, 3 mark, but this may be 5 mark percent because the tables are because that's why maybe 5 mark percent. Anyway, when you use the truth club area, definitely 2 mark or 3 mark will come. Very simple concept. You must know the symbol. This symbol means what is the meaning. That's only you understand. This is what I told you. This symbol will mean both T will come. Otherwise, F will come. Opposite one means what? Otherwise, simple concept. Both T means T. Otherwise, F. F. This symbol is both F means F. Otherwise T. This symbol, what I told you, the same quantity means same F, T, T. Otherwise, next one, T to F is answer. F to T is answer. This symbol, same means T, otherwise F, simple. Otherwise, next one. In this way, you thorough everything. Is the problem only symbol involving. Depends upon symbol only you will put T or F or. Am I right? That's why the symbol involving both T means T. Otherwise F. The symbol involving both T F means F. Remain. Otherwise T. The symbol same quantity F T means T. Otherwise next one. That means what? The P to Q, or from P to Q, F to T means T. Am I right? T to F is F. The double side of this cut, Y condition will be the same quantity, otherwise F. In this way, you will cover everything. Listen here, exercise 4.2, 8.1. Show that negation of B conjunction to Q, this is called equal. equivalent. Make example P, this section, make example Q. Example Q. Now, in this type of problem, the next is known. Left hand side, you will put the table on table. Right hand side, put the table to table. After the last column, both will be equal. That's called identical. Hence, automatically these are equal. That's the concept. This type of problem, truth table bar left hand side, truth table bar right hand side. Definitely, the last columns are equal, identical. Hence, these two tables are equal. That's the concept. Now the same thing. First P, Q, each other bracket, then the whole thing. Double T, double F. Double T, sorry, single T, single F. Single T, single F. Am I right? This simple economy, both between T remaining quantity will be F. Next is what? Opposite. F, T. This is the first table. Am I right? First table. Similarly, truth table for right hand side. PQ, the same thing. Double T, double F. 1T, 1F. 1T, 1F. Am I right? Next is not these are opposite. Double T, we get double F. Double F, we get double F. Next is these are TF, TF, no. Then FT. Now this is called what? Distance and this simple economy, both will be F, the remaining quantity will be T. This will be second table. From the table 1 and 2, from the tables 1 and 2, the last columns are identical. Am I right? Hence, right answer. This will be equivalent. Hence, next one, this symbol identical. This is the answer. That's all. But definitely will be equal. That's very important. The one more question under the second sum is also the same method. Truth table for first one. Left hand side. T, F. Am I right? Q is what? T, F. The symbol is what? Both will be with T. Next is what? The opposite one. Next one. T, P, F. F to T. Next example is what? F, T, F. The next step is PQ, the same thing. Double T, double F. TF. Am I right? Next example is what? FT. Now, this symbol is what? Both will be with T, remaining one will be F. After, next example P, next example Q and P. Consider this two is important. Both will be with T, remaining one will be F. Out of P and next example Q, T, no, T. This opposite one F. Opposite one F. Consider P and next example Q. And this two columns. Out of these two, the symbol is what? Double T with T. Let me continue. Let me first table. Am I right? Second table. The same thing from the tables. From the tables 1 and 2, the last columns are identical. Last columns are identical. Hence, both will be equal. Equivalent is called what? Equal. That's all. Anyway, once again the same concept, but here the equivalent symbol involving you will put the two table. After that, the last columns are equal. That is the answer. Yes, sir. When exercise 4.2, again next problem same method. Show that Q tends to be equal to negative P tends to negative Q. Truth table first one. P is what? Double T, double F. Q is what? TF. Q tends to be, start from Q to B. Same quantity, same quantity. Next one is opposite quantity. Opposite quantity, next one, Q to P, that's why F to T, T to F, in this way you want it. Because Q is first, next one P is there, that's why Q to P. Similarly, P is what? Double T, double F, T F, then T F. Next one P is what? F, T, T. Next is what? F T, F T. Now again, the one side now, cut is statement from here to here. That's important. The same quantity T. The opposite next one F to T. This first, second, no. F to T, T. T to F, F. Ready? First table, the second table. Am I correct? From the table 1 and 2, the last columns are identical. Last columns are identical. That's why hence both will be equivalent. This and this, make us not be this one. E are be equal. That is answer. Ninth question over. Same thing. So that distances are not equivalent. That is not identical. Double T, double F, TF, TF. Already 21 say armor. Both will be T means T. Both same quantity T, FFT. Opposite one means T to here to here. Next one. T to F is F to T is T. This is first thing. Again here also the same thing now. TF, TF. Now Q to P. The same quantity T. Am I right? The Q to P, F to T, T. T to F, F. This is the second one. From the table, table 1 and 2, the last columns are not identical. Am I correct? That's why, therefore, P tends to Q and Q tends to P are not equivalent. Not equivalent. Symbolic means 3 lines not equivalent. For the same only. But the question itself, what is the same? Not equivalent. That's why you write the answer in terms of the very form. Not simple. That's all. The next one is the same thing. 11th question. So that mechanism P tends to Q is equal to P by current statement. Next up Q. The same thing only. Double T, double F. TF, TF. One side now, the same quantity, the opposite quantity, P to Q. Start with P to Q, T to F is F, F to T is T. This is negation. F, T, F, F. Okay. Next one is what? T, F, F, T, F, T, F. Negation of P is what? F, T. Next one, P. By consider statement to negation P, negation Q from here to here. The same thing, what I do? The same quantity T. Other quantity F. Same but T, no T. The opposite quantity. Here also, same quantity, no? Both are equal by 11%. Equivalent, you want to be equivalent. That's why. Check very yourself. This kind only. Now negation is for FT. Then T tends to negation Q. The same quantity T. Here to here, same quantity T. Here also, same quantity T. Opposite F will come. Here, F is coming. Something wrong? Check. There will be the question. The question is what? The question is question 9, 11th question, no? 11th question. F The question I wrote wrongly actually. Here also double side armor. Am I right? Double side armor. What is that answer? Same thing only. P to Q, same quantity T. Such same quantity is what? Same quantity T. The opposite will be F. You know say that's all. Double side armor means the same quantity will be T. Opposite will be F. Here also, double by statement. P2 minus 2. That is what? Here to here. Both will same in P. Remaining only F. That will be 1, 2. From the table, the last columns are identical. Hence, this one equivalent. Make it now. Double side armor. Which implies this answer. Is clear? Anyway, once again, you must throw all symbol. One side armor means that is called conditional statement. Both the same is same. Opposite quantity next one. Double side armor that is called by conditional statement, both will be the same quantity T, the opposite quantity only F. That's all. Listen here. 13th problem. Use the truth table. Check whether the statement, this statement and the negation of P are logically equivalent. Equivalent means the same type of problem. Three sides only. First truth, consider the truth table for this one and this one separately actually previously. But already my negation of P involved already negation of P involved in the table itself. But need not draw the next table. Need not put the second table. From the table, this and this is already logically equivalent. You want to do. Now, the 12th question and the 14th questions are prove that by using without using truth table, not this idea, some other idea. That's why 12th problem and the 14th problem and the extra one problem, 3 problems only without truth table. Remaining all the problems are only truth table. So that asking me by using this idea only. Without truth table only asking me by some other idea. Remaining all the problems same method. That's why 12th and 14th I will later. Then again, 13th question, the same thing, truth table for the whole thing. Now, double T, double F. 1T, 1F, 1T, 1F. As usual. This simple economy, double F is F, remaining quantity T. Negation of this is what? F, T. Am I right? Negation of T is what? The P is zero. Double T, double F, no. Double T, double F means double F, double T. Negation of P, intersection Q. This is called conjunction. The simple economy. Both will be T with T, remaining quantity will be F. Am I right? Both will be T. Then both will be here both T. Remaining always F. Am I right? Because negation of P and Q, this only both T. Here not both T, not both T, not both T. Double T with T, remaining all F. Now this and this, am I right? This is union. This is what distance and double F means double F. Double F means double F. Remaining quantity will be T. Now consider this quantity and negation of P, this will be equal. Am I correct? From the table, am I correct? These two are identical. Am I correct? Negation of P and negation of P, then union, negation of P are identical. Hence, what is the answer? They are logically equivalent. They are logically equivalent. They are. The conclusion is very important. The only tell me some more to reduce. The table after X, give the reason whether this is equal or not. Mention the answer. This is the correct answer. One more problem, sir. 15th problem. 121, 12th and 13th, some other idea. 15th also truth table idea. Now last question, 15th question. Exercise 12.2, 15th question. Prove that P condenses statement to negation Q distance of R is equivalent to negation P distance to negation Q distance to R by using the truth table. Now, usually left hand side and right hand side put the truth table usually. But here P, Q, R involving. But 3 statement mean 2 into 2 into 8 rows will come. 8 rows will come. Length table will come. But to avoid length process, in one table itself, you find left hand side as well right hand side. Because the inside bracket both will same. Easy to find. Usually P and Q involved mean put the 2 table. That is easy for you. But here P, Q, R involved mean in single table to find left and right automatically will be equal. Now the 8 rows, that's why P, Q, R. Already told you. P means what? 4T, 4F. Double T, double F. Double T, double F. R means TF, 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 TF. Now in the question morning, negation P, negation Q. That's why I am writing negation P. Negation P is what? Means of 4T, 4F, 4F, 4T. Negation Q is what? Double T, double F. Means of double T, double F, double F, double T, double F, double T. Now negation of Q. This is what? Distance of R. This symbol represent both the F is F remain quantity T. Am I right? After distance is both the F is F. Both the F is F. Both F is F remain quantity T. This is easy for you. Next one, P tends to this one. P already here. From here to here. This symbol represent both the same in T. Opposite quantity, next one. T to T, same quantity. Then T to F, opposite quantity, next one F. T to F, F. Same quantity, T. Same quantity, T. F to T, T. F to F, T. That same quantity. F to T, T. F to T, T. Am I right? First answer over. This is left hand side. Am I right? Next one, the negation of P to this one is also distance sign from here to here. Distance. This symbol represent both the F is F remain quantity T. Here both F is what? They will both F. Where is both them? Not there. Am I right? Not there. Remain quantity T. The last one, this column is representing left hand side, this column is the right hand side. Therefore, the last two columns are identical. Am I right? That's why hence they are equivalent. That's important. That's all. This is the last question. By using the truth table, in exercise problem, I did all the problem. 2 more problem without using truth table. Without using the truth table, we need some result. And also, this is one more concept. Maybe this also to prove by using truth table may be coming. Anyway, this idea. Now, the one. Item total loss P dissection of P is P. P condition of P is P. In this way, commodity loss. That means what? P Q K Q P. Here is intersection now. Conjunction symbol may be changed, but P Q K P. Associate loss P Q R. Just change the bracket. Second bracket, the first bracket. This is fourth symbol. Distributive loss B. Disjunction Q conjunction R. That is what you want to multiply. 3. P with the symbol with Q, then symbol with the P with R. Similarly, conjunction. Ideal class. P disjunction DT. F is a P. P conjunction of P is P. P conjunction of P, F is F. What is the reason? In the symbol economy, and I told you, both will be T with T, the remaining quantity F. But both will be not T, but T will be T, other F, other is P here. Here the same thing, here is also the same thing. In the symbol economy, both will be F means F only. We are both will T means T, the remaining quantity F. The symbol means both will be F means F, other is T. Am I right? Here, next one complement loss. The P distance from complement of P is T in common. Inverse is context is false in common. Negation of F is what? T. Negation of T is what? F. The B Mom's law. Negation of P in Q is negation of P. The symbol is changing on D Mom's law. A will hold as, but A dash, intersection will be in this way. Another important answer. P tends to Q is identity is equal to negation of P distance of Q. Q tends to be mean the first one is negation, the next one is distinction. Both are mean negation of first one, next this is conjunction, next one negation, next one. In this way, this is a fundamental idea. By using this some result only, without using truth table. Read the question clearly. Using truth table in this area. Without using truth table, this is idea. Very important concept. Sometimes this also 2 marks, 3 marks will come. Anyway, you must thorough. Only we have only 3 problems. This model, we have only 3 problems. 2 problem exercise, 1 problem example problem. Now, which is equal to P tends to what is the formula? This idea. This idea. What is the idea? Negation of Q, then this is what is good. Once again, the first one mentioned now, negation of P, union this one. Am I correct? First one fix here. Inside this one is by using the formula. The first one is negation, next one is disjunction P. Again the same symbol is coming. The first one is negation, the next one is disjunction. Now, this can be as just interchange. This is the bottom idea. Just interchange this called what? That is called commutative property. Commutative property means this will be same. You will want interchange. This is called commutative. Commutative law. Next one is associative law. First one, second one, third one. So change the bracket only. Negation of P, the symbol P. Again, the symbol negation of Q. This is called associative property. Just change the bracket only. Associative law. Then negation of P, distance of P is what? Already find out. What is that? Negation of P, distance from P. This is exactly. Am I right? Negation of P, this one. Equal to what? T. Am I right? Negation of P, next one is what? Union, negation of P. Once again, the union now, what I told you, both F is F. Remaining quantity, what will be T? The T will come in now. That is tautology. Suppose equal F will come in, contradiction. Here, already you know, the symbol involved in both will be F in F. Remaining quantity. That's why this is tautology. This is tautology. Therefore, it is tautology. That's all. Small idea only 3 mark question. Read the question without using truth table. That's very important. That's all. Now, what is the question? cutting segment to Q tensor is equal to P conjugate of Q tensor, but without using truth table. Truth table means P, Q are involving. That's why in one table put the answer. Last 2 months I did it. But here without using truth table. Now start with the exercise. Again continue. P tensor, this is Q tensor means negation of Q union. Okay. Next one also P tensor no negation of P union son. Am I right? Am I right? Very simple concept. By using the first Q tensor is the comma. The whole thing P tensor, first one is negation of P, the next one is union. That is what? Dissection. Afterwards, put the bracket change. That is what? The associative property. What is the associative property? Negation of P, this symbol, negation of Q. Then this is called associative axiom. Am I right? Out of this also negation of P, negation of Q. One time negation, B intersection Q, union R. This is called De Morgan's law. Once again, what I told you previously here, negation of this one, union R means, what do you mean? B intersection Q tensor. This one. That's all. That's all. Therefore, both are equivalent. Okay, they are equal. That's all. Only simple concept. The same problem, only one problem without using table, no problem. Do yourself. Now, in second exercise, I did all the exercise problem and some of the example problem also. Second exercise is very small concept, only by using truth table idea. That's why you must know all those things. This exercise, that's all.